Welcome to our in-depth review of the ProtoArc EKM01 Plus ergonomic keyboard mouse with the EC200 Gray Office Chair, a powerful duo designed to elevate your work experience. Today, we'll explore every feature of this comprehensive package that promises both enhanced productivity and unparalleled comfort during those long hours at the desk. Let's begin by talking about the wireless ergonomic keyboard. Unlike standard models, this keyboard is designed with a full-size layout that includes a curved and split keyframe design. This thoughtful design helps position your wrist and forearm in a more natural and relaxed posture, reducing strain and fatigue during prolonged typing sessions. One of its standout features is the ability to seamlessly switch up to 3 devices. Whether you connect via the USB receiver or Bluetooth, a simple press of a button lets you toggle between devices effortlessly. This makes it exceptionally versatile, working with Windows 7, 8, 10, Mac OS X 10.12, and Android devices running version 4.3 or higher. In a world where multitasking is a necessity, this keyboard truly stands out by integrating convenience and modern compatibility in one package. On the seating side, the EC200 Gray Office Chair redefines ergonomic comfort for modern professionals. With multi-dimensional adjustments available, including lumbar support, seat depth, backrest angle, seat height, the multi-dimensional headrest, and spacious armrests, this chair is built to support individuals from 5'4" to 6'3" and handle up to 280 pounds. The design has been extensively tested for 8+ hours of continuous comfort, ensuring that your posture is well supported whichever part of the day you're engaged in work, meetings, or casual browsing. The pinnacle of the seating comfort is the 2-way adjustable lumbar support. The chair's 4-direction lumbar adjustment, offering 2.36 inches in height and 0.8 inches in depth customization, fits the natural curve of your spine. The high-strength mesh back distributes weight evenly, reducing lower back strain by approximately 50%. Additionally, the chair features 4 tilt-back angles, 90 degrees, 105 degrees, 120 degrees, and 130 degrees, complete with tilt tension control, making it easy to transition from focused work to a relaxed posture during breaks. Compared to similar products in the market, the ProtoArc package delivers an impressive blend of ergonomic sophistication and versatile connectivity. However, some users may find the initial setup a bit involved and the price point on the higher side. To get the most out of these products, consider adjusting both the keyboard and chair settings to your personal comfort preferences right from the beginning. Overall, the ProtoArc EKM01 Plus and EC200 Gray Office Chair are ideal for professionals who value health and productivity alike. They are perfect for anyone working long hours at a desk, whether from home or in a corporate environment. Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoyed this review. Greetings, and have a great day.